Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lawn fertilizer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Scott's Turf Builder Southern Triple Action 4,000 square feet. A real weed killer. Scott's Turf Builder kills weed and clover, prevents and kills fire ants up to 6 months. It also feeds and strengthens lawns against heat and drought. Scott's Turf Builder Southern Triple Action is specifically created to be used on southern grasses, like St. Augustine, including Floritam, carpet grass, centipede, and zoysia grass. It protects your lawn from many dangerous insects, which can kill your lawn. It is widely known to kill fire ants, other pesky bugs on one hand and feeding the lawn on other hand. Scott's Turf Builder feeds your lawn with various nutrients, thus strengthen your lawn against heat and drought all year long. Scott's Lawn Fertilizers are quite known and trusted company that offers a wide array of lawn health products, i.e. grass seed, spreaders and fertilizers etc. Apply this in your lawn when it is dry and then after water it completely. This will activates the fertilizer and it will start doing its job. Moving on at number 4, we have the Safer brand Ringer Restore Fertilizer, 25 pounds, Ensure Greener Grass. This is plant-based formula with no usage of poultry litter or biosolids. The best part is it is no odor, which covers up to 5,000 square feet for rapid greening of your lawn. A green lawn is a healthy lawn, and to keep up a healthy lawn, you need to fertilize it according to its requirements. Safer brand is no name in the world of lawn fertilizers. They offer a wide range of products which ensures a healthy, lush green lawn. Safer brand Lawn Restore 2 is an organic fertilizer that immediately activates and starts working to create proper balance of required natural elements in your soil. It promises to give you a healthier and greener lawn in just 3 to 5 days. This formula is said to be best for any turf, promoting growth or healing problems to existing grass, if any. Natural bacteria and fungi produces some nutrients themselves which boost the growth of grass and helps in maintaining their health. These organic fertilizers helps in feeding those bacteria and fungi. At number 3, we have the Superior Nitrogen and Potash 15 NPK Lawn Food, 32-ounce, chemical-free lawn solution. Superior Nitrogen and Potash 15 NPK is a premium liquid lawn food nutritional supplement, which enhances greenery in your lawn. This is completely phosphate-free lawn food, which improves soil resistance power towards heat and cold. Superior Nitrogen and Potash is a chemicals-free, all-natural fertilizer, which makes it safe to use and this results great for sandy soils. Its organic food-grade ingredients are safe for soil in all aspects and encourages health, hardiness and strength of turf. It is a simple liquid fertilizer lawn solution prepared with bioactive organics, feed-grade urea, humic, fulvic acids, potash and sulfur. It is completely phosphate-free nutritional fertilizer, which is used to keep up well-balanced lawn health or to treat any grass nutrient deficiencies. At number 2, we have the Jonathan Green & Sons 12400-10020 15-pound, inexpensive fall care fertilizer. It helps in preparing your lawn for winter and is considered as ideal for fall seeding. It covers up to 5,000 square feet of area and promotes root growth. Jonathan Green 12400-10020 Winter Survival Fall Fertilizer helps to prepare your lawn for the winter with its well-balanced formula to nourish your lawn grass. Known as one of the best winterizer fertilizer, it promises to keep your lawn grass greener. Its fertilizer enhances root growth and keep nutrients stored for the spring. You should apply this winterizer when you notice that grass has stopped growing in the fall season. It is particularly designed to ensure your lawn is prepared for winters. Be clear this doesn't increase the grass growth, it just ensures that grass retains enough food to start its good growing arte in following spring. And finally at number 1, we have the American Hydro Systems F4G-1 777 1 gallon, best organic-based formula. The American Hydro Systems F4G-1 777 with Bio Builder base is formulated to feed both the plant and turf. Spread this with the help of Pro Feeder, Green Feeder or Green Feeder Mini. After its application, water your lawn and it will start working. American Hydro Systems F4G-1 Grass So Green All-Purpose Blend Fertilizer contain 30% Bio Builder, all-natural blend of humates and other required natural ingredients to your lawn soil healthy. For better coverage use Pro Feeder, Green Feeder Mini and Stow and Flow Feeder and rid o rust injection and siphoning systems. This fertilizer is suitable for both warm and cool season grasses. 1 gallon of fertilizer will feed 2,000 square feet of lawn for at least 1 month. Every time you will water your lawn, the fertilizer will activate and supply nutrients to soil, which ensures long-lasting lush green garden. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.